Conscious vegan living, which emerged in the latter part of the 20th century, has its roots in environmental and animal rights concerns. Originating from the United States in the late 1980s, the movement gained momentum in the mid-1990s, particularly in Europe and Asia. Key figures include Gary Yourofsky, who publicized the health risks of animal protein in the late 1990s, and Dr. McDougall, who in 1996 published Prevent and Reverse Diabetes, emphasizing vegan diets for health benefits. The movement's popularity surged in the early 2000s, coinciding with the spread of documentaries like Forks Over Knives and Earthlings, which highlighted the environmental impact of animal agriculture. Meat consumption decreased by approximately 5% globally during this period, and global vegan food sales reached over $2 billion by 2015. Conscious vegans advocate for ethical treatment of animals and sustainability in food production, arguing for a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, biodiversity loss, and water and land use. Benefits include improved health outcomes, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and a lower carbon footprint. Drawbacks include limited access to certain protein sources and potential nutrient deficiencies, if not properly planned. Long-term effects suggest a shift towards more sustainable and equitable food systems, influenced by advocacy, consumer demand, and policy changes. By 2050, projections indicate that veganism could cover over 20% of global food production, driven by increasing health awareness, environmental sustainability, and social justice movements. Enhanced research and development will be crucial to support the transition, ensuring adequate nutritional options and fostering widespread adoption.